Walker again, and I'm with
Mr. Igo.
And we're going to do phonemic awareness some more.
All right, here we go. Remember, thumbs up if these words rhyme, thumbs down if they do not rhyme. Rhyming words sound the same at the
end.
All right, tip, lip.
Yes.
Test, rest.
Yes.
Shoe, blue.
Yes.
Coat, boat.
Yes.
Feet, foot.
No.
Ooh, bed, head.
Yes.
Red, green.
No.
All right, guys, the first sound in the word puppy. Magic. Napkin. Sunflower. Table. Awesome, we're rolling right through this. All right, guys, so you have the words sun, burn, put it together.
Sunburn.
Foot, ball.
Football.
Roof, top.
Rooftop.
Birthday.
Birthday.
Flash, back.
Flashback.
Week, end.
Weekend.
Day, dream.
Daydream.
Rain, coat.
Raincoat.
Home, work.
Homework.
Black, top.
Blacktop.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, the last sound in these words. The last sound in the word ride. Hat. Mop. Globe. Give. Crumb. Pick. Awesome, we are on to the second page. All right, now we have the whole word and we're going to break them apart. So we have the word goldfish.
Goldfish.
All right, basketball.
Basketball.
Windshield.
Windshield.
Blackberry.
Blackberry.
Downtown.
Downtown.
Backpack.
Backpack.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Awesome. All right, so now I'm going to say the word. Mrs. Walker is going to repeat the word, and then I'll tell you what to add to the end. Over.
Over.
Add night.
Overnight.
Suit.
Suit.
Case.
Suitcase.
Down.
Down.
Stairs.
Downstairs.
Rain.
Rain.
Drop.
Raindrop.
Snow.
Snow.
Flake.
Snowflake.
Hand.
Hand.
Shake.
Handshake.
Head.
Head.
Ache.
Headache.
Nice job. All right, now we're going to say it without that ending part of the word. So fingernail.
Fingernail.
Without nail.
Finger.
Railroad.
Railroad.
Without road.
Rail.
Seafood.
Seafood.
Without food.
Sea.
Blacktop.
Blacktop.
Without top.
Black.
Downtown.
Downtown.
Without town.
Down.
Everyone.
Everyone.
Without one.
Every.
Bookcase.
Bookcase.
Without case.
Book.
Playhouse.
Playhouse.
Without house.
Play.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Without noon.
After.
Awesome. One more page and we are finished up for today. All right, guys, so on this one, you are going to change part of the word, okay? So goldfish.
Goldfish.
And change gold to star.
Starfish.
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 Change star to shell.
Shellfish.
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 Change shell to sun.
Sunfish.
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 Change sun to jelly.
Jellyfish.
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 Change jelly to cat.
Catfish.
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 Change cat to blow.
Blowfish.
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 Change blow to clown.
Clownfish.
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 Change clown to gold.
Goldfish.
All right, and we're going to skip this part here because we're going to talk about it in phonics. And now we're going to count how many words in the sentence. So go ahead and count on your fingers here. Our classroom is special.
Our classroom is special.
Good job. And there was a period at the end of that one, so we said it with just a normal voice. The sunshine is warm.
The sunshine is warm.
All right, this next one has a question mark. Pay careful attention to how Mr. Igo says it. Is the playground fun?
Is the playground fun?
Ooh, I liked how you changed your voice at the end there, Mrs. Walker. We have another one with a question. Did you bring your backpack to school?
Did you bring your backpack to school?
Awesome. And the very last one. Today is a good day to learn.
Today is a good day to learn.
Very Very good. That one had 7. Guys, I know that we're going fast through this and it might be difficult at first, but the more we do it, the better you're going to get at it. Okay, have a great rest of your day.